everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia Turok here and welcome back to another property tour. Today I will show you this beautiful and stunning modern refurbished studio apartment on the 4th floor. We are in Westminster, near Westminster Cathedral, which is amazing prime location. This apartment has around 338 square feet. Upon entering, you will be greeted by these huge wardrobes. So you have plenty of storage space in this apartment from floor to ceilings, and let me show you inside. So yeah, if you have a lot of clothes, that's a perfect choice for you. In this apartment you have intercom as well, and throughout the whole apartment there is underfloor heating. Once you enter the bright and spacious living area slash open plan kitchen, as you can see, it is very modern and sleek kitchen where you can find washing machine, brand Zanussi. Then you have a hob here, and also you can find here fridge freezer. You have a built-in appliances, hob, and then also extractor hood. And you will find here oven and microwave. You have plenty of storage here, which is absolutely perfect for a studio apartment. And this is your dining area, I would say. So you can sit here, you can enjoy your breakfast. As you can see right now, I was really waiting for a sunset to show you, because this studio is orientated on the southwest of view, so you can see every single day beautiful sunset over the Westminster Cathedral. And here, this is your sleeping area, where basically you can fit even king-size bed. It's absolutely comfortable with a bedside table. Gorgeous lamp, it's really stylish, and I really like in this apartment this beautiful and natural light flowing into the apartment. You have a large windows, sash windows. You have also nice blinds here. Really, owner has a lovely taste, I would say. You have also custom-made bed and matching table, so you can use it as a study area probably, or you know, like this studio apartment is so large and spacious, so I can even imagine to move furniture a little bit around. So maybe we can just turn bed over this side, and then we can have a sofa here, so you can still watch TV, or you can study or reading a book. So yeah, I really feel very nice and welcoming and warm feeling here basically, and I would say it's great for single occupant or for a couple. And if you would like to know more about the price and more information, just check the description box. You will find up-to-date information there. And let me show you now bathroom. Come. This bathroom is complete with modern fixtures and fittings, and I really love here this LED light around the mirror. It's a beautiful feature. And you have plenty of space to put your towels here, or your lovely flowers or some candles while you're enjoying the shower. Also, you have a toilet here and sink with built-in storage. So you have plenty of space for your cosmetics. One of the benefits is this modern lift. Ambrosden Avenue is a vibrant location within Westminster, and you have a plethora of amenities here, a lot of trendy cafes, restaurants and shops around. You are as well next to Westminster Cathedral, and also you have walking distance to Victoria Station, train station and tube station, so you can explore the whole London just on your doorstep. If you would like to know more, don't forget to contact me. You will find all information in the description box down below. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. Put the thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!